Hi, I am Lawnmower DQ 500628. I have a very hard life. I often ask myself, why me? I see all the other gardening equipment coming back to the shed and being really happy with the work they have done. But not me. I cry myself to sleep after a long day of mowing. You must think I'm a stupid guy, because I was made for mowing. Don't get me wrong, I like mowing. It's just the pain that gets to me. Oh no, no. Please don't. Not today. No, they are making a movie about me. Someone, stop him. No, don't make me do this again. Oh no. Go back. The grass isn't even that long. Oh no. Oh no, here we go. The itching begins. Oh, please make it stop. Please make it stop. I am a lawnmower with hay fever.